Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Yeah, 78 degrees outside right now. A lot of sunshine out there and only a few fair weather clouds. We've got some surface moisture, and yeah, it's a little thing. It's led to the fog that we had this morning. It'll lead to the fog that we have tomorrow morning as well, and I'll assure you there'll be some out there. The surface moisture is because of the dew points that are pretty high, actually. Dew point now at 70 is pretty high for this time of year, almost summer-like. You know, summer-like dew points are in the 70s, 72, 3, 4. And we're pretty close to that now, so it's going to feel a little bit sticky, a little bit humid this afternoon as our temperatures get up into the lower 80s. Southwest wind in part responsible for that jump in dew point already today. Coming in at about 8, we'll watch it be pretty much westerly all afternoon long and into the morning hours as well. Eventually it'll switch back to the east by tomorrow morning and become fairly light, helping to support again that chance of a little bit of patchy fog around. Current temperatures across the state, generally everywhere we've got temperatures that are above average. I mean, everywhere we do, except way back into the panhandle where temperatures are in the lower 70s, and that's because of some cloud cover and rain showers ongoing there. 79 degrees in Tampa, Fort Myers at 80, so's Naples, Miami 81, Melbourne 82. Pretty significant warmth across the Suncoast as well, with 81 in Arcadia, 79 Mayaca, Wauchula Parish, Bradenton at 79, Sarasota 78, so's Venice, and Northport coming in at 81. No rainfall around for us, and I think that is pretty much going to be the case over the next week. And I say pretty much because the entire state of Florida is not without rain showers. There are some rains around, mostly to the north of us, though. Up around the Panhandle region and areas back toward the northern Gulf waters, there are showers ongoing, and that's good. This area is probably the driest in the state of Florida right now and can use a little bit of rainfall. They're in a light drought here, I guess you could say a moderate drought up near Tallahassee area, Leon County up and through there. It's not the worst drought in the United States. Parts of the Arklatex are seeing severe drought, so there's worse around, but it's good that they're getting some rain showers. Rain showers throughout the deep south over the next several days because of a stalled frontal boundary kind of meandering and lingering through the northern Gulf waters. Snow showers elsewhere up in the northeast along the Great Lakes and back to the west in the Pacific Northwest and the more mountainous regions. They're seeing some pretty good snowstorms there. That'll be moving across the northern tier, but for us, what's in the deep south right now is going to stay in the deep south. This frontal boundary is stalled. It's not sinking south. It's not going to produce any weather for us. We're under the influence of that high pressure ridge, and it's going to stick fast over the course of the next week ahead, bringing mostly sunny conditions and rain-free skies. Some patchy morning fog because of clear skies at night, relatively calm winds and that low-level moisture. And then we've got warm weather that's going to continue on because of that highs placement. Southeast wind switching west, as we mentioned, at 5 to 10 this afternoon, becoming more easterly tonight and through tomorrow morning. You know, it's going to be a nice day for boating. Smooth conditions out there. In the extended range, pretty nice. Daytime highs in the low 80s right straight through the period. No rain in any day that you can look at. Nighttime lows in the mid 60s. And if you carried it into next week, it'd still be warm, Ray.